run it up here on the freeway, check the RPMs at cruising speed. Got the air conditioner on now. It's like a civil monster. That's fourth gear. And I checked the speedometer with my GPS, and it is spot on. It's right on the money. Maybe a half mile an hour off, but it's there. Okay, in fourth gear, we're doing 70 miles an hour at about 2,800 RPMs. Put it in fifth gear. Now we're doing about 74 miles an hour at, looks like about 1,900 RPMs. Man, you can cruise all day long in this. I'm going to get my GPS app up here too. It shows we're going 72. The speedometer says about, well, now we're 68. But yeah, it's just right on the money. 71 on the speedometer, 72 on the speedometer, 73 on the GPS. So it's accurate. This car also has some air shocks on it, so you can firm up the rear suspension if you're pulling a trailer. I was pushing the cruise control button. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but it doesn't seem to be working. Green light comes on. But yeah, you can go all day in this car. I'm going 70 miles an hour right now, about 1,850 to 1,900 RPMs. That was pretty unheard of in 1969. We just wanted to do this little highway cruise. Car drives real straight. The brakes are good. They're disc brakes in the front.
You can see the camera bouncing up and down because the suspension is exactly what it should be on this car. Nice and soft.
Yeah, it's pretty plush. I mean, I can see him driving from Arizona to Michigan on Route 66 and just having a wonderful trip. When I stopped and put gas in this car, there was a lot of people there, and I had 4 or 5 people up checking the car out, asking about it. It's definitely an attention getter. Yeah, I believe she'd just cruise all day. Get off here on Broad Street.
This is like 2 cars in one. You can cruise like this at highway speed and total comfort. Then when you get on the side roads and you want to punch it, all the power is there.
You know, and there's a lot of modern day cars like the Mustang and the Challenger that you can do just that, but it's really rare that you can do that in a car of this vintage.
It's true. Very
It's
true.
really a special car, and you said it well, Paul. It's 2 cars in one. I would say it's 3 cars in one. And the third portion of that would be the fact that you could actually tow something with the car, and you got a big back seat. How many hot rods have a 4-door and have a big back seat and have a place to put your ice jets in the back? It's kind of an SUV, hot rod, grocery getter, race car hauler. really, I think it's 3 cars in one. Pull up here on the surface road. We'll do a little walk around. Sorry this video is so long, but this is really a cool car, and
we're having fun.
yeah, and we are having fun. And we got cold air conditioning blowing in our face.
Yes, it is.
From the Thermo King underdash unit. Yeah, let's see how she idles with the air conditioner on. I know it's a long video. I noticed on the back there's a Yenko Stinger sticker and a 25th anniversary for the Ozark Mountain SCCA 1983 to 2008. Donna Mae passed away in 2009, but I was told she signed the glove box at a car show in 2008. And a lot of people are bashing this car because it has Yenko stickers. Well, it's not really a Yenko wannabe car. The reason is because she pulled her race car. She raced Yenko Stingers, and it's more of a tribute to Donna Mae than it is to Yenko. But they are stripes that are not painted on. They're decals. They'll come off very easy, and they won't hurt the paint. But overall, the car is very well sorted. It's been driven several thousand miles on road trips. It's just a proven machine. But I hope this video didn't bore you, and I hope it answered the questions that you wanted to answer. The sun is really bright today. Have a great day. Good luck bidding on Bring a Trailer.